Hello, today I would like to show you new radio that I've got. This is a PMR 446 radio made by Intek. And when I first saw it, I've decided to get it. This is a new old stock model, as you can see with the foil on the screen, but I believe this is like a 10-year-old radio. This is a PMR 446 radio. This is the model number HT-446S. As you can see, the build quality is really nice. This is the lithium-ion battery pack, and it really feels nice in hand. Remind me a little bit of a Motorola radio from the GP Plus series, the smaller one, and as you can see, it looks really rugged in your hand. Of course, this is a PMR 446 compliant, so the antenna is fixed. You cannot change the gain. From the side, we've got a panic button for sounding alarm. Interesting part is this radio is compatible with a PTT ID, so when you PTT, it can identify your radio. You can program the ID from a computer. This is interesting. I don't think it have a decode, but it can identify. We've got a light and we've got a monitor. The PTT, in my opinion, is not the best one. It does not have a very good feel. Let's take a look at this radio. As you can see, it's quite small. The side connector is in the Kenwood style, so we've got a 2-pin very nicely, so you can easily use other accessories. We've got a belt clip that I'm pretty sure we can deattach by pressing this, but I've got my fingers too short. One volume knob and the Intek on the antenna. Just to quick compare, this is other PMR 446, this one is a TDMA, and as you can see, the antenna length is quite larger. As you can see, PMR 446 compliant. Also the antenna is fixed. Let's take a look compared to the newest series, the HT-6, and as you can see, the antenna is very nice, absolutely perfect size for the antenna. It should have a good gain. If the receiver is okay, we should get really boost our performance. And just a quick compare with the old good DP36 series, and as you can see, it looks really nice. Let's power it on, and as you can see, it have that PTT ID. Here we can change the channels. We've got, of course, ability to program via computer the CTCS or the digital tone. Maybe I will remove that. We've got some kind of menu when we can adjust the, for example, the squelch, if you want to have it higher or lower. We can name our channels, but also I believe you need a computer with a software, and the software is free. We can use the hands-free for a voice on, and we've got a scanning, beeper, LED auto. I believe there should be a way to program the CTCS from a keypad, but maybe you have to enable this from a software, because I cannot see that in the menu. So that's quite bad and unfortunate, but maybe you have to just program it. And let's give it a try. I will just find a clear channel. Here we can see the receive. As you can see, nothing is going on. And I'm going to use my trusty old Talkabout radio. And why I like this radio, I very enjoy it because of the built-in monitor. And the built-in monitor is checking not only the PMR 446 channels, but also it's going to tell you what kind of CTCS tone it is using. So let's give it a try, and it's going to tune, and it's going to tell you exactly what tone are you using. And this is very good because you can talk back to someone else. If you do not put a monitor, if you disable squelch, you can hear someone, but you cannot talk back to them because you don't know the tone. And this is going to tell you. So I'm going to press PTT on this radio. I have no idea what kind of tone is program. Is this a CTCS? Yes, CTC. I'm pressing the PTT and I'm going to hit the monitor, and we are tuned. And as you can see, channel 4, the CTCS 22, and I can speak. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check, radio check. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check, radio check. And as you can see, it's working perfect. And I can press the PTT to talk back, and I will be on that CTCS tone 22. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. Testing, testing. 1 2 3 4 5 radio check. And as you can see, it's working really nice. Testing, testing. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The first look is really nice. Very nice feel in your hand. Very good length for the antenna. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent. Let's take a look what else do we got. We've got a drop-in charger. This is a model number, just in case you would be interested. Nicely positive feel when it clicks. Very nice. We've got a switch mode power supply. Also very nice. And we've got our covered piece. Maybe that is not a very covered, because it's quite beefy. It's not a earpiece with a air tube. But what I can tell you right now, this is a microphone with a PTT, and to be honest, it have a good feel. The plastic is really nice. It's definitely like the lowest, cheapest grade. It have quite a nice feel. Maybe not as good as a Motorola genuine cable, but I would give it a very good rating. I saw much worse, like a little bit silicone. Very nice. So here you've got your PMR 446 Intek quick look. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.